Good weather and lovely blossoms compelled me to open my stash cupboard and take out an old and worn out wooden platter, a forgotten piece of time, and give it a new lease of life. This platter has been with me for over 2 decades. I got it from my parents. Time has weathered it, and yet its maple leaf shape still feels elegant, graceful. Its 5 sections are worn down. The tips are chipped, some completely gone. The handle too is half broken, but I see potential here. I see something that's been quiet for years, asking for another chance. And today, it will have it. I begin the process of reconstructing the broken parts. Bit by bit, layer by layer, the platter starts to come together. And strangely, as the platter heals, something inside me heals too. There is a quiet joy in mending things. It reminds us that broken does not mean useless. It means lived. It means touched by life. And everything touched by life has a story, a value, a soul worth preserving. As I carve out new tips, fix the sections, and restore the handle, I realize that we too often break, but we can also rebuild. Not to erase the past, but to embrace it, to make something even more beautiful from it. Now that the form is complete, it's time for the details. The quiet touches that often go unnoticed, but that bring true beauty to the surface. Life is much the same. It's in the details that shines. With the surface ready, I prime the platter for a new story, a new identity. Recently, I read a Japanese self-help book, Ikigai, that spoke about finding meaning in simplicity and embracing imperfection. Concepts like wabi-sabi and Ikigai. They inspired me to sketch something that reflects that culture, calm, flowing, intentional. And now comes my favorite part, painting. Each stroke is a meditation, each color a whisper of hope. Painting is not just about filling space with pigment, it's about filling ourselves with peace. It slows us down, it teaches us to trust the process, to wait for the final picture. So I hope you'll stay with me, watch the colors unfold, watch something broken become whole again. It's a quiet magic, and it's worth witnessing. With the painting done, it's time for finishing touches. Adding gold foil to the handle. A protective coat of acrylic varnish seals the story in: the past, the repair, the transformation, all preserved in one final shimmer. And now it's time to style this beauty. I have placed it beside a serene statue of Buddha and a vintage brass lotus diya. Together, they create a calming ambience that feels just right. Thank you for joining me in this journey of transformation. We are all a little chipped, a little broken, but that's where the light gets in. Let's keep mending, keep creating, and keep believing in beauty. Until next time, stay inspired.